Volcanoes are only a characteristic way that the Earth and different planets have of chilling and discharging inner warmth and weight. Volcanoes eject in view of thickness and weight. The lower thickness of the magma comparative with the encompassing rocks makes it rise, like air rises in syrup. It will ascend to the surface or to a profundity that is controlled by the thickness of the magma and the heaviness of the stones above it. As the magma rises, bubbles begin to frame from the gas broke up in the magma. The gas bubbles apply gigantic weight. This compel assists with carrying the magma to the surface and powers it noticeable all around, once in a while to incredible statures. It's similar to the air pockets of gas in a container of pop. Before you open the soft drink you don't see numerous air pockets in light of the fact that the weight in the jug keeps the gas disintegrated in the pop. At the point when you open the jug the weight is discharged and the gas bubbles leave the pop. In the event that you shake up the jug first, the soft drink gets pushed out by the air pockets of gas as they surge out. Top 10 Stunning Volcano Lake. 1. Lake Nyos. Lake Nyos is a 2 km long pit lake situated in the northwestern piece of Cameroon. The lake has a magma chamber underneath it, which continually leaks carbon dioxide into the lake, changing the water into carbonic corrosive. 2. Lake Taupo. Lake Taupo is the biggest whole lake in Japan, and the 12th biggest lake in Japan. 3. Lake Taupo. Lake Taupo is arranged on the North Island of New Zealand, and is the biggest lake in New Zealand. 4. Cote Caldera. Cote Caldera is a volcanic caldera in El Salvador. The caldera was framed after a progression of enormous emissions 72,000 and 54,000 years prior. 5. Eject Lake. Eject Lake is a pit lake that is found in East Java, in Indonesia. It is arranged in a gathering of stratovolcanoes, inside the Eject volcano. 6. Mount Katmai. Mount Katmai is a complex stratovolcano found on the Alaskan landmass, in southern Alaska. In the middle there is a lake-filled caldera, about 4 km in measurement. 7. Heaven Lake. Heaven Lake is arranged on the outskirt among China and North Korea. The lake is arranged inside a caldera. 8. Latch Lake. Latch Lake, otherwise called Lachersee, is a caldera lake, about 9 km in measurement and can be found in Rhineland-Palatinate, Germany. 9. Crater Lake. Cavity Lake is a delightful caldera lake found in South Focal Oregon State, USA. It has a shocking dark blue shading and splendid water lucidity, and structures the primary element in Crater Lake National Park. 10. Lake Taupo. Lake Taupo is an enormous caldera lake found on Sumatra Island, in Indonesia. It is over 100 km long and 30 km wide, and is the biggest lake in Indonesia, and the biggest volcano lake on the planet.